Dear students, you are welcome in the Education Department at SHAHD Association. Our lesson today is Quadrilaterals Part 1. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more lessons and don't forget to activate the bell to stay notified. The objectives of our lesson are: first one, how to recognize the meaning of a quadrilateral. Second one, how to name the vertices, sides, and diagonals of a quadrilateral. And the last one, how to state whether two lines segments bisect each other or not. So let's start with the definition of a quadrilateral. What is a quadrilateral? A quadrilateral is a closed polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 2 diagonals. This is a drawn quadrilateral. This is a closed polygon with 4 vertices. Sum of vertex, we say 1 vertex but 4 vertices. يعني إذا أنا بدي أحكي vertex بقول 1 vertex، يعني vertex واحد بنقول له إذا عندي 1 vertex بقول vertex، ولكن إذا عندي more than 1 vertex بدي أستخدم يصير vertices، يعني جمع vertex هو vertices. وأنا عم بحكي quadrilateral فحيكون عندي more than 1 vertex واللي هن 4، حقول 4 vertices. So أنا عندي 1 2 3 4. Then 4 sides. Line joining two consecutive vertices. كيف يعني two consecutive vertices؟ يعني اللي بيكملوا بعض. الفيرتكس الفيرتسز اللي بيكملوا بعض هم بنقول لهم consecutive vertices، ولكن الفيرتسز اللي مقابلين بعض هن non consecutive vertices. والsides هو عبارة عن line joining two consecutive vertices like this. وعندي 4 sides. side 1 side 2 side 3 side 4 and 2 diagonals. Line joining two non-consecutive vertices. So non-consecutive vertices المقصود فيها like this. شايفين كيف non-consecutive vertices هن بيكونوا 2 vertices مقابلين بعض. اوكي، هاي بنقول non-consecutive vertices. So a quadrilateral is a closed polygon with 4 sides, 4 vertices, and 2 diagonals. Now, non-quadrilateral examples. So this shape is not a quadrilateral since we have 6 sides. So in this shape we have 6 sides. واحنا قلنا الكوادريلاترال لازم يكون فيه 4 sides. So the number of sides in this shape is equal to 6. Because of this is not a quadrilateral. Okay. While this shape very good also is not a quadrilateral because is not a closed shape. واحنا قلنا الكوادريلاترال لازم يكون closed shape وبكون فيه 4 vertices 4 sides and 2 diagonals. واللي لاحظناه in the first shape عندي 6 sides، فهيك بنعتبره not a quadrilateral. وin the second shape هو non closed shape اللي هيك بنعتبره not a quadrilateral. So again quadrilateral بده يكون عنده 4 vertices 4 sides 2 diagonals واكيد لازم يكون closed shape. Any question? Okay, great. How to name the quadrilateral? The vertices, sides, and diagonals. So this shape is called the quadrilateral shape وبنقول له parallelogram. Okay. طبعا ليش بنعتبره هذا quadrilateral shape؟ لأنه عنده 4 vertices. vertex A vertex B vertex C vertex D. كمان عنده 4 sides. side AB side BC. طبعا فينا نسميه side AB أو BA، ممكن عم بمشي consecutive vertices. وفينا نقول side BC أو side CB. side CD or side DC, side AD or side DA. كمان عندي two diagonals. first diagonal BD or DB, second diagonal AC or CA. So we have two diagonals in this quadrilateral shape. So إذا بدي سميه كيف بسميه؟ فيني بلش من vertex A أو من vertex B أو من vertex C أو من vertex D. Okay, so this quadrilateral is named as A B C D or B C D A or C D A B or D A B C. المهم كون عم بمشي consecutive vertices، يعني الفيرتيسز اللي بيكملوا بعض، مش اللي مقابلين بعض او اللي opposite لبعض. يعني اذا انا ما فيني اقول دي بي، اذا قلت دي بي بطلت عم بسمي الكوادريلاترال، صرت عم اسمي الدايجونال اللي بقلب الكوادريلاترال. او اقول سي اي كمان عم بكون سمي دايجونال اللي بقلب الكوادريلاترال. يعني ما فيني اقول دي بي سي اي، اكيد لا، هيك بكون عم سمي diagonals not quadrilaterals. consecutive يعني اللي بيمشوا بيكملوا بعض، اللي حكينا عنهم بالسايدز. any question? okay, great. now opposite sides and adjacent sides. شو المقصود ب opposite sides and adjacent sides؟ opposite sides، two opposite sides don't have any vertex in common. so opposite sides اللي هن ما بيكون عندن any vertex in common like this. KL هي opposite side to NM. so KL and NM هن are opposite sides and KN و LM كمان are opposite sides. so KN LM are opposite sides, while adjacent sides, two adjacent sides have a common vertex. common vertex يعني كيف common vertex؟ يعني يا بقول KNM أو MLN. مين اللي عندي common vertex؟ هي ال هي common vertex بين ال KL وال LM، والام هي common vertex بين ال ML وال MN، والان هي common vertex بين ال NK وال NM، ال K common vertex بين ال KN وال KL، ال L again common vertex بين ال LM وال LK. so إذا أخذنا الان هي هي common vertex لمين؟ للNK والNM. so بما انه الان هي common vertex للNK والNM بكون عندي NK and NM هن شو؟ adjacent sides. so NK and NM are adjacent sides or KN and NM. so KN and NM are adjacent sides, they have common vertex N. وفينا ناخد ال KL وال LM. so ML and ML and LK are opposite sides. كمان ليش بنعتبرهم opposite sides؟ because they have common vertex L. so ML and LK are opposite sides لأن عندن common vertex L. اوكي فهمنا شو المقصود adjacent sides. adjacent side هن two adjacent sides have a common vertex، opposite sides two opposite sides don't have any vertex in common، يعني بعكس بعض. adjacent sides vertex sides واحدة فيها common vertex هي adjacent sides، opposite sides ما فيه common vertex. any question about opposite sides and adjacent sides؟ okay, great. lines segments that bisect each other. so lines segment that bisect each other, they are two segments that meet at the same midpoint or we can say that the two segments have a common midpoint. So لا اقدر اعتبر التو segments هن bisect each other، لازم يلتقوا بنفس الميد بوينت، يعني لازم يكون عندنا نفس الميد بوينت like this. So look to this figure. بنلاحظ انه C is a midpoint of segment ED. Also C is a midpoint of segment AB. فبنلاحظ انه had two segments that meet at the same midpoint, which is C. So C is the midpoint of segment AB. Also C is the midpoint of segment AD. So AB and AD, so the segments AB and AD are intersecting at the same midpoint, which is C. So we conclude that AB and ED bisect each other لأنه عندنا نفس midpoint. Or in the adjacent figure CA، حسب هالadjacent figure اللي قدامي بين معي انه CA is equal to CB is equal to CD is equal to CE. So CA is equal to CB is equal to CE is equal to CD. So صار عندي ال AB and ال ED bisect each other since they meet at the same midpoint, which is C. Any question? Okay, great. Now, lines segments are not bisect each other, like this figure. So from the coded properties, OA is equal to OS. Then O is the midpoint of AS. So from the coded properties, OA is equal to OS. So O is the midpoint of AS. But OR is not equal to OM. So O is not a midpoint of RM. So OR is not equal to OM. So O is not a midpoint of RM. وبهالحالة O is the midpoint of AS. O is not midpoint. O is the not midpoint of RM. So O is the midpoint of AS. O is not midpoint of RM حسب ما شايفين. Again, O is not midpoint of RM. So AS and RM are not intersecting at the same midpoint, which is O. So AS and RM are not intersecting at the same midpoint, which is O. So we conclude that so AS and RM not bisect each other. So بعكس اللي كنا عم نشتغله قبل شوي، إذا كانت بيكون ال two segments bisect each other لما يكون عندن نفس الميد بوينت، ولكن إذا ما عندن نفس الميد بوينت like this بيكونوا هال two segments not bisect each other. Thanks for watching. If you liked this lesson, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more, and don't forget to click the bell to get all the updates.